Hare Krishna Bhargavi Mataji. Happy Krishna conscious birthday. Would you like to please on your video? Radharani Mataji, please take over from here, Mataji. I am talking on a call. I'll be coming back in a minute.
Okay, Mataji. Hari Bol Bhargavi Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness birthday.
Hare Krishna Bhargavi Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Hari Bol, so happy to see you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, my dear Bhargavi Mataji. Very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Praying for Krishna's, Srila Prabhupada's and Guru Maharaj's blessings on you. I'm thankful to you for many, many things, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Mataji, I'll just ask her to on the video. Bhargavi Mataji, can you hear us? Lalitangi Mataji is wishing you. You are in mute, and can you, if it is possible, can you on your video?
Oh, I think she left, Mataji.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll wait for a couple minutes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Krishna conscious birthday. Hare Krishna Bhargavi Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. It's our prayers that all your spiritual and material desires are fulfilled today. We are very fortunate to have you as a part of Bhakti Sangha, Mataji. You've been a consistent coordinator since several years, I think since 2013. You've been a part of Bhakti Sangha. We are so grateful to your services. You're very, very genuine, very humble, very simple. I mean, you have so many Vaishnava qualities, and you're always there for all of us. Whenever it's your service, you have so much dedication never to miss your service. So we are so grateful to you on so many levels. Thank you, Mataji, for being a part of our Sangha. We are very, very honored to have you on the call and celebrate your birthday today. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Preeti Vilasini Mataji. I'm there only because of all of you. Thank you so much for keeping me in the service, in spite of I'm being in a different place and different time zone. Thank you, Mataji. And
that just shows your dedication, enthusiasm. It's only because of that.
No, Mataji, it's all because of devotees' mercy. So kind that they want me. Yeah, they're still tolerating. And also whatever qualities you said, because we are only in the phone, you think like that, Mataji. People who are near me, they know all my bad qualities. But anyway,
Mataji, I know you. I don't agree with that, and I will talk later after you're done.
So I'm waiting to hear from Lalitangi Mataji further glories. Thank you, Bhargavi Mataji. Have a fabulous day. Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
so much, Preeti Vilasini Mataji, being in the work also. You have come in the call and wished her. We are so thankful, Mataji. Now I request Lalitangi Mataji. Bhargavi Mataji, would you like to talk anything for the Preeti Vilasini Mataji?
No, Mataji.
Okay. Yeah,
thank you so much.
Lalitangi Mataji, you can please go ahead, Mataji.
Oh, what can I say? Bhargavi Mataji, such a sweet devotee. I mean, so much of tolerance and patience and Vaishnava quality, taking association everywhere. I mean, I don't have words, Mataji. You are so inspiring. And now, like, we are all reading together, many reading calls. Actually, you started it. When? Is it 8 years? 7, 8 years before, or even before that. So, Mataji, I mean, now you are in Vrindavan. And so we are all requesting your blessings from the Dham and the devotees. And every Ekadasi, you used to send me pictures of your Krishna Balaram. So wonderful to see, take darshan, and very steadfast devotee, Mataji. You are in reading, in chanting, in association, not expecting any praise, always enthusiastic in doing service. Whatever obstacles it comes in your life, you're swimming across all that and taking to Krishna consciousness. And the way how you made your Prabhu also a devotee, by your personal example and love and care and affection, that speaks, Mataji. That's the toughest, to convince the family members. I think today morning also Chandramouli Maharaj was telling that, the family members are the hardest to convince, and you have, won over your Prabhu. And so, I mean, I have no words, but I'm very, very, very grateful for such a devotees association. I don't deserve your association, but many times I have missed your calls. I'm not answering your messages. But as Preeti Vilasni Mataji said, that you're very, very consistent in everything. So please, I beg forgiveness for all that today, Mataji. And I pray that you continue to please Guru and Krishna and get their blessings. Hari Bol. I know it's late and many people are.
Hare Krishna Mataji, you are putting me in so much discomfort. Please don't tell all this, Mataji. And also, Mataji, the call started because of you and Shalini Mataji. And it is a reading thing. Because of you both, I got inspired, and that is the helping me a lot, Mataji. Thank you. Thank you for that, Mataji. And also, as you said, it's not that I was so capable that I was able to make to make my Prabhu a devotee and all. If that was the case, the day when I got married, I would have done it. It was zero result. So only because of devotees association, it happened, Mataji. It took so many years. So I am nowhere in that. It's all because of devotees association. And I just prayed, Mataji, that's all. And all by all of your guidance and all that, it all happened, Mataji. So, and also don't tell all this sorry and all, Mataji. I know how much you are giving to me. That is eternal. I feel it's an eternal blessing for me. Whatever association I have with all of you and with you, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. I am not there if you're not. Without you, I'm not there. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
That's your humility, and also you're a touchstone. My cousin Ramya, you've been. I told you if it's possible to give her some association. She's very thankful to you, even though she's caught up with so many things and she's not a regular association. You pull her to read, and because of you, she's reading Bhagavatam. She's very thankful to you, Mataji, and I want to tell that also. Thank you so much, Mataji, for taking care of everyone. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji, for helping me also to connect with devotees and continue to read. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank
Hare
you so
Krishna.
much, Lalitangi Mataji. That was very nice to know so many things about Bhargavi Mataji. Thank you so much. So I now request any other devotees. Kirtida Mataji, Nandapriya Mataji, Indulekha Mataji, Vinita Mataji, who would like to go, they can go ahead.
Can go. If anybody want to go, they can go, Mataji. Kirtida Mataji.
Is it okay for me? Okay.
Yes, Mataji, Indulekha Mataji, you can please go ahead.
It's okay, Mataji. I can go maybe after 15 minutes. I have met 1%, so that's why I charge.
Okay.
So, is it okay, Kirtida Mataji, or would you like to speak?
Yeah, whatever, Mataji. If you want, please go ahead, or if you want me to go ahead, whatever you feel like.
I'll just quickly go ahead. Thank you so much, Bhargavi Mataji. Thank you so much, Bhargavi Mataji, for your association. I'm sorry, I just can't turn on the video because it's going to drain the charge further. But Mataji, seriously, you are such a sweet devotee. You have such a beautiful smile. on Tuesday, seeing you, it's a very auspicious start for our day. It's a very pleasing start, very good start to our day, Mataji. And in spite of all the connectivity issues, you have so many, so much difficulty because you are at a different time zone and you have to join then, but still you will be there. And in case you get dropped off, you always make sure that you come back and you rejoin. So, and then you end the class well. So very, 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 seeing your service, I'm also so inspired to do mine properly. So thank you so much for your association, Mataji. Yeah. And wish you very, very happy birthday. Wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. So are you in Vrindavan right now?
Yes, Mataji.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
By all
Please pray for all of us.
customers.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji, I am praying. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. Actually, I am inspired by you, how much balanced and while you speak and manage people, how much so many things would be going on, but still you take everything very smoothly. I love that way, Mataji, and how much talented you are in managing such things so calmly. That really inspires me, Mataji. Thank you so much for your inspiration, and I feel you're so sincere, Mataji, and that is why you're able to associate with all the devotees and do things very smoothly. So that is so sweet, Mataji. Thank you so much for your wishes and association, Mataji, and for all of you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Lalitangi Mataji has put it very nicely, that wherever you're traveling, it doesn't matter. You're still doing your service at the same time. So that doesn't work with me, but yeah. So now there's something more that we can learn from. Thank you so much, Mataji.
I just don't want to miss your association, Mataji. I don't know how much it gives. Even one day a week I join, it is like fuel to my soul. So that's why I try to, it's also a selfish mentality that I try to join. It's not that totally I am in a selfless service mood, but there is some selfishness also, but that I want to take all of your association so that it keeps me tuned in Krishna consciousness, Mataji. So all glories to all the wonderful devotees, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
So nice of you, Bhargavi Mataji. Thank you so much, Indulekha Mataji. Vinita Mataji, would you like to take over, Mataji?
No, Mataji, please continue. Now Kirtida Mataji will go. You can continue, Mataji. Please do it, Mataji.
Thank you. Kirtida Mataji, you can please.
Hare Krishna, Bhargavi Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. And may you always and always be engaged in the loving service of our divine couple. And I just still remember, Mataji, the time when you, I think so, during Snigdha Mataji time when she was here, and we were still in everyday chant and you were doing this greeting services. So that shows how consistent, how dedicated, how sincere you are, that from that time also, from that time onwards, still when you have moved back to India, you are still able to do your service so consistently. So all glories to you, Mataji. And I have a very beautiful memory of yours that when you were in New Vrindavan and my Reverend Guru Maharaj, he was giving I think so it was a seminar, and you just came to visit. You were not aware that Maharaj is here and he's giving a seminar there. And you just came to visit New Vrindavan, and next day you were supposed to go back. And I told you that, why don't you stay back for the seminar? It's only 3 days. And you said that you have to ask your Prabhu regarding that. And then I spoke to your Prabhu and he immediately said, yes, why not? We'll stay. And, we love Maharaj classes. And you all stayed for the whole seminar. So, how simple you are and how sincere you are, and that everybody already said that, you have so much Vaishnava qualities, and I'll second all that. that because of the true Vaishnava qualities, that you are still into it, and these distance have not made the so-called physical geographical distance has not brought any distance in your heart. So thank you, Mataji. Thank you for all your services. Thank you for all the wonderful Vaishnava inspiring qualities that you have, which really inspires me also. As everybody said, that you are so simple, you are so humble, and we could feel, at least I could feel, that genuine humility inside you. So, and I really pray, Mataji, that, very soon may you be officially connected to our parampara and with your Prabhu, and you may progress more and more in your spiritual life. Thank you for being there for us every time. And I'm so blessed that I know you in person and I've seen you in person, interacted with you. I'm blessed, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranams, and have a blissful birthday today and many years ahead. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you, Kirtidas Mataji. Thank you so much for, first of all, for all the prayers that you put in, Mataji. It really means a lot for me. So by all of your prayers, I'm just surviving. And also it was, the seminar was Harinam Chintamani. So I also remember, we always remember, me and my Prabhu, that when we met you first time there, that how Mataji very nicely she spoke and she encouraged us to take the association of Maharajas and all the seminar. So thank you so much, Mataji, for giving your association in that time, and it all helped a lot, Mataji. And I also I remember that how you very nicely bring your son and Krishna consciousness. I remember one day you said in Bhakti Sangha that he said that he was actually telling that he was so inspired about Prabhupada and Prabhupada's movement, and when he said that final conclusion of Krishna consciousness was coming from his mouth, that I think he was very young at that time, 9 years or 11 years old. So happily you expressed that, and I felt very happy that how the devotees like you are bringing children in Krishna consciousness, and they have come to that ultimate understanding of Krishna consciousness, that Prabhupada, following Prabhupada is the ultimate thing. That I cannot forget, Mataji. I still remember fresh in my mind. So thank you so much for being the role model for so many long years in Bhakti Sangha, as a coordinator and as a devotee and as helping devotees. Thank you so much for all the glorious qualities, Mataji, you possess. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. I'll not accept this thing that, I have trained up my child, because I always say that I have not done his parenting in such a way that I could bring him into Krishna consciousness. It's the other way around. He has been trained by himself. I don't know how. But you guys, seeing you all, that how wonderfully you are teaching your kids and bringing them into Krishna consciousness actually inspires me. And, there is some vacuum that, if I would have done more, during my son's childhood, then he would have been a little different person. But, whatever he is, it's not me. I have no credit in that. It's all because of he himself. And of course, mercy of Gurudev, because from a very young, when he was just 7 to 8 years old, he was in touch with Guru Maharaj, and actually Guru Maharaj personally trained him. So, but seeing you all, actually, I get so much of inspiration, Mataji. So thank you, Mataji. Thank you for your services, for your beautiful smile, and for your wonderful humility. Hare Krishna. Dandavat.
Mataji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Kirtida Mataji. Now I request Vinita Mataji, would you like to go? or
Yes, Mataji, I can go, Mataji, if nobody is ready now.
yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Bhargavi Mataji. First of all, thank you so much. You came on the call with short notice. I wanted you to come on the call, and I said, like, meeting is there, but you came. It's very late night for you. Still, you came. Thank you so much, Mataji. Happy Krishna conscious birthday. Mataji, first of all, I wanted to request you to please bless me that I should also serve Bhakti Sangha for this many years. You are very senior who is serving Bhakti Sangha from long time. You were giving more association when you were in US, but you now moved to India. But still, you make sure that you come on the call every Tuesday. Your internet sometimes drops you off. Everything happens, but still your service never stops, Mataji. Timing is very odd, but still you make sure that you come on that Tuesday and you somehow give your service, greeting service, and seeing you. Before we used to not see you because video was not on by any greeting service persons. Now because we are seeing you, it is so happy that we see, okay, this is Bhargavi Mataji who is serving from long time to Bhakti Sangam. I know you did sometime even for mid-morning. I heard it from Preeti Mataji that you were doing even for mid-morning greeting service. Thank you so much for all your services, Mataji. I pray that, to Krishna that you always serve like this and always be attached to the services and devotees, and you progress very nicely. As Kitida Mataji said that I want to hear your initiation name, Mataji, soon. I am eagerly waiting for your initiation and your Prabhuji's also, so that, you get more and more love for Krishna through our Guru Vargas. Thank you so much, Mataji, and please forgive me. I have interrupted your services many times on Bhakti Sangha call because sometimes you are not coming on time. I always take your service. I feel I am offending you in doing that. Please, Mataji, anything I did like that, it is only to just go move the call on that particular day, not that to take over your service. Please forgive me for doing so, and thank you so much, and we all love you. Thank you for your services to Bhakti Sangha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Vinita Gandarika Mataji. You are like, I don't know how to tell, like, you are like inspiring soul to all of us. Like, you're like, what to tell, that empowered person with lot of energy, enthusiasm, leadership quality. So it's not that you will serve like me for long years. You will go beyond that and you will be doing much more, Mataji. So that is what you're doing right now itself. So, but still I pray to the Lord that you always be in the service of Guru and Gauranga and loving association of all the devotees. Thank you, Mataji, for being such an inspiring soul and inspiring devotee to encouraging and associating, and you are engaging all other devotees also to somehow engage in the service, and also that consistency what you have. You post the links of Guru Maharaj Facebook live sessions and all that. That is really, I can't even imagine, Mataji. Every day you post, and each and every person you're posting this like this, and you're taking blessings from all the devotees in a very humble mode. So all these things are really inspiring me so much, Mataji. Thank you so much. And please don't ask forgiveness and all, Mataji. You are really helping me in spite of my limitations. So I am actually sorry, and I'm very thankful for all those things, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
love you so
Mataji.
much,
We all love you,
Mataji.
Mataji. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Bhargavi Mataji, Dandavat Pranam. Please accept my humble obeisances.
Oh, sorry.
The Priya Mataji. I remember you very well joining the reading session when I joined afternoon Srimad Bhagavatam reading class. You were so humble, and the meaning of compassionate means we can see you, Mataji. Yeah, you're so great, Mataji, and I wish you very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. I remember, yes, we all were reading together Bhagavatam. Narmada Mataji, yes. So now it's Nandapriya Mataji. Nandapriya Narmada Devi Dasi. Okay, very nice. Your Maharaj has given your name also. Very nice in the name. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mataji, for your association and consistently coming in Bhakti Sangha, welcoming people and very nicely coordinating. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much for your wishes and prayers.
Mataji,
Hare
I'm
Krishna.
to this service, but learning from you all. Thank you, Mataji. Please bless me so that I will continue serving Bhakti Sangha.
Hare Krishna. I'm praying. I'm praying for all of you.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.
Thank you so much, Nandapriya Mataji, Narmada Mataji, and
Thank you.
are there anybody? And thank you, Vinita Mataji. Also, sorry, I was in mute that time, so I think so. We have anybody else? Yeah, sorry, Mataji, because some have gone to temple today. They could not have joined. If nobody are there, I'll just go ahead. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness, Bhargavi Mataji. You are. I really pray for Lord Jagannath that he gives his best choice mercy on you on this special day, and always for you and your family, Mataji. You are very inspirational. I know that you have joined from many years, but I don't know, but you are from so long. That's very nice to know, Mataji. And your smile and everything, I already messaged you that time, I think so, that your smile and everything is so cute on that Tuesday. That day really starts very nice with your greeting service. And so thankful, Mataji. And we are coming to know like many new things that you are doing, the reading thing and everything. So that's very nice, Mataji. So happy for you. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Radharani Mataji. I'm very thankful for you, and you very nicely take very sincerely. You also do the service. I feel very inspired when you come in Bhakti Sangha and 12, and also when I see you on the screen, I see that seriousness and how much importance you give.
Thank you, Mataji. Learning from you all.
For this service. So actually you all are the people who made this service also very serious. And
yes, Mataji, thank you so much. Yeah, as Mataji was saying, the internet was very low. She got disconnected, I think so. If nobody are there, we'll just end the call here, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah,
Geetida
sure.
Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining. I think so Mataji, because of internet, she could not, I think so, join again. So we'll end the call here, Mataji. Let's pay our obeisances. Vancha kalpatarupyasya kripa sindhubhyaiva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Wishing Bhargavi Mataji once again, wish you a very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. Thank you everyone for joining. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Radharani Mataji. Thank you.